inside of the house, we can see pretty much straight away that this property needs some maintenance, and from this perspective, this is a great candidate for deep retrofit. Pretty much anything needs to be removed and then redone. Internal rendering, ceilings, carpets, doors, fixture and fittings. With deep retrofit work, we go back to brick and start from the very beginning. In the living room, there is a chimney breast which is shared with the neighbor. Maybe it's worth considering small wood burner. We'll see in the future. Window is fairly low to the ground, and maybe we can raise it just to make sure that it's 800 from the ground. This is the rear dining room, which would be great to link with the kitchen. So this is the chimney which we will probably knock down, the rear chimney, and we maybe fit the patio door from the dining room to the garden. Fairly long and narrow kitchen, with a rear part being a little extension. So potentially rear extension could be some kind of utility room. This door may be blocked, and then kitchen opened out to the dining room. Bedroom 1, again rear chimney to be removed to give some extra space. No need for the gas boiler, which is located in that cupboard in the corner. The rest is going really. Ceilings and wall coverings. The other bedroom, the old built-in wardrobe will be removed. Old lath type ceilings will be taken down. Maybe this will be some kind of a spare bedroom, and little box bedroom, which is very typical for this type of house. So we can see some of the roof trusses or roof timbers in the corner. Bathroom here, which will probably stay in the same position, but it just will be remodeled.